Det vore väl ändå konstigt om det inte kommit än. Let's see if I can actually zoom in on it. 1240. It says delivered. Let's have a look. So I've been waiting for this package for probably 2 months by now. This package has been all over the world. It has been traveling for... So it started its journey from FedEx, was on Friday. So it's been traveling for 18 days. Almost 20 days. Alright, let's see if we can unbox this. Wow. Oh, I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. Well, I'm sort of fine. Now, if you clicked on this video, you probably know what's inside of this. God, the camera angle is so terrible. Unfortunately, I cannot zoom out any further. If you clicked on this video, you probably already know what's inside of this package, but I'm going to give you guys yet another hint. Look at the wrapping. What does it say? You've seen this font before, and we are inside. It's the Ultralight to Cape Town. I had to order this from Toronto because I guess Sweden only got one wave or something. Pretty much got sold out instantly. I kind of missed the boat and I figured, how do I order this now? Fortunately, as I was browsing Twitter, I found out that Finalmouse was gonna do yet another drop in Canada. I was lucky enough to, let's say I used the VPN and I sort of tricked the system and I sort of used a shipment service which made it possible to ship the mouse to an address in Toronto. All in all, the mouse, I think this mouse is to 120 Canadian dollars. I paid $123 in total, including shipment rights, and then I paid another 43 American dollars to get it shipped from Toronto. And so this was quite expensive, but I wanted to do it because I do think that some of you guys might be interested if this is a good mouse or not. It's actually a very nice pitch. Let's dive inside. Let's see. Alright, so here we go. And I believe this is the Infinity skin that lets you customize the sort of shape of the mouse. We're gonna look at this in just a second. So the box is actually identical to the R58 Ninja, as you can see. Same sort of shape, same dimensions. Mouse itself looks very similar to the... Let's just bring out the R58. The mouse itself looks very much similar to the R58 Ninja. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. It looks a bit shorter. Figure out a way to get it out. Alright, we got it. Wow, it's actually a lot smaller. It's just so much smaller. Look at that. Ever since I ordered this, I've been thinking about how they sort of solve the weight problem, right? You cannot compromise too much on the thickness of the material. You cannot make it much thinner. That would probably crack the mouse very easily, right? But the answer is they have made it smaller. As you can see, it's actually a lot smaller, in fact. The wheel also looks a bit different this time. As for the cord itself, new thinner phantom cord. They actually state the phantom cord is smaller this time. Pretty much looks the same compared to the R58. Maybe it's a slight bit smaller. It might just be a slight bit smaller actually. I gotta be honest here, I'm actually disappointed. Because of the so much smaller size, it's probably most likely going to force me to use the Infinity skin. I wasn't thinking about using the Infinity skin to begin with, but right now it's just so small. Let's have a look at the Infinity skin super quick. By the way, there is no instructions, no manuals, no nothing inside this. Last time we actually received this note, right? This time, however, they forgot to include the note, or they simply just didn't want to bother, right? In terms of specs, I'm not sure actually. The site doesn't reveal the specs of this, but I'm just going to assume that they are using the same PWM3389, right? Let's see. So we got a total of 3 bags here, 1.2mm sides, 2mm sides, and finally 2.5mm sides. So with the 3M adhesive, I think I'm actually going to try the 2mm skin. If you purchase this mouse, please let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'm just going to test this out and probably gonna need a couple of days to form my opinion, and I'm going to be back with a new video. In the meantime, however, click any of these 2 videos for more awesome content, and thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, yeah, you have an awesome day, right? Bye.